How are y'all doing? I'm Patrick Ford. That's what the book says. Some of y'all out there do woodwork. Some of y'all don't. But if your wife asks you to, make a grilling cart or a coffee table, and she knows you're handy with wood, and you have a miter saw, a table saw, and you can build it, well, I have a product that will help you put it together. It's basically a Kreg jig, and this is for like bookcases, shelves, like I said, for coffee tables, grilling carts. It really makes it handy for whenever you're putting the wood together, and I'll show you how to use it, what's included in this little kit, and some tips on it that I've learned along the way, and show you some of the furniture that I built with it. So stick around and I'll show you what's in here. So in this box basically is, in this box, this Kreg Jig K4, this one costs about $100. So, but there's other Kreg products. You just go onto their website and find more about them. Maybe there's some more stuff on there that you want to use besides just this. But anyways, it makes pocket holes, and it makes it easy to put stuff together. So inside here is the jig, and on this jig is clamp. You're going to put your wood piece in here that you're going to drill the holes to, and it does 1.5 inches, 1/2 inch. So you're going to look at the actual, whenever you're doing your wood, when you're drilling the wood, you need to look at the actual measurement of the wood, not just regular dimension. You got to have the actual to use this. It's stuck. So as you can tell on there, just 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches. We're going to set it down here on 1.5 inches. Tighten this screw up. We'll have this set for a board thickness, and then you want to clamp it. You want to clamp it to your bench or anything like that to keep it sturdy. You can use the face clamp, and that's what this is. You're going to just put it right here. You're going to clamp it down to your table. But before I show you that, inside here it's got the instruction book, of course, but in this box, the stuff you need is, it's got the bit for whenever you do the screws, and then the drill, the actual drill itself, and this little collar. You're going to set it to the height you need. Like I was saying on earlier, is you need to set it, you put the collar there, you want the base part of your drill to whatever size your wood is. So in our case, 1.5 inches, already have it set. If not, you loosen with the Allen that's provided. You slide this and set it to what you need on your height. But we already have it set 1.5 inches. Now I have it situated, it's mounted, and this is our 2x2. So when you measure it, it's actually 1.5 inches. So that's why I set this 1.5 inches on my depth on when I'm drilling. And then, like I said earlier, our drill bit's 1.5 inches. And we want to do in the middle of this wood. You could do 2 holes in here, but I'm going to show you, I'm just going to do one right in the middle. So we're going to line it up with the slot here on B, and we want our clamp to be able to hold our piece. If not, you adjust right here on this little wheel until this holds your piece pretty good. I want to be right in the middle, so it's holding it pretty good. So our face clamp, so we're ready to go here. And so you're going to put this in your drill, and then you just get it in there basically, and we just drilled our hole. There's actually a port, a vacuum vacuum port in there. You could put it up on this side. Anyway, that is see that in there? There's your pocket hole that you just made, and it uses specific types of screws. Got a 3-inch, that's a face clamp. And then we're going to use a 2.5-inch screw. You just put it in the pocket hole. Since it's clamped, and then use your clutch. That's it. And then on this grilling cart, these are what you can cover with those little caps. If you put the boards on the end, you can kind of fill it in a little bit. And then like this plywood piece, I attached it from the inside. We're using those screws in the same concept. So works out pretty good on hiding how you fasten things. Okay, this is the top coffee table pushed on its side. You can tell the framework, I was able to put those screws there for this frame. And then the actual tabletop, as you can tell where all those holes are, I was able to put these pieces together so this whole tabletop is one piece up here. And then you just attached it down here to the framework is what I did. So it makes this real sturdy. As you tell, that's how the end down there and how that framework's attached using the Kreg pocket holes, pocket jig to put them in there. As y'all can tell, I was able to put two projects together pretty simple with the Kreg jig there. Definitely makes fastening some wood pieces together pretty simple. I'll put a link in the description below of those two projects, of the grilling cart and the coffee table that I put together that were shown in this video. Hopefully you'll look at the Kreg products and see that it makes your woodworking a whole lot easier on fastening them. Until next time, I'm Patrick for That's What the Book Says. God bless. Thank you.